The dream of homeownership has been a cornerstone of the American dream for generations. However, for millennials, the path to owning a home has become increasingly challenging. In this article, we will explore the factors that contribute to why millennials are finding it difficult to afford homes in today's real estate landscape. The student loan burden. One major obstacle that has affected millennials' ability to purchase homes is the burden of student loan debt. Unlike previous generations, many millennials pursued higher education to secure better job opportunities. However, this pursuit came with a significant price tag. The average student loan debt has soared, making it challenging for young adults to save for a down payment on a home. Shifting job market dynamics. The nature of the job market has also shifted, impacting millennials' financial stability and qualification for mortgages. Many millennials face job insecurity, rely on freelance gigs, and engage in contract work. This instability makes it difficult for them to meet the traditional income and employment stability requirements set by lenders. Rising housing prices. Rising housing prices have been a major driver of the affordability crisis. In many urban areas, real estate prices have outpaced wage growth, making it nearly impossible for young buyers to afford homes in desirable neighborhoods. The influx of real estate investors and limited housing supply have further driven up prices, leaving millennials struggling to compete in the market. Urban living preferences. The preference for urban living among millennials exacerbates the affordability challenge. Many young adults seek to live in areas with job opportunities, amenities, and vibrant social scenes. These urban areas often command higher real estate prices due to the demand, leaving many millennials facing a tough choice between affordability and location. Renting as a long-term solution. In response to high housing costs, many millennials are choosing to rent smaller living spaces for longer periods of time. While renting can provide flexibility, it often makes it harder to save for a down payment, trapping millennials in a cycle of renting rather than building equity through homeownership. Financial literacy and guidance. A lack of financial literacy and proper guidance has also hindered millennials' progress towards homeownership. Without a solid understanding of personal finance, mortgages, and real estate transactions, many millennials struggle to navigate the complex process of buying a home. This lack of knowledge can lead to missed opportunities and poor financial decisions. Redefining the dream home. The concept of the dream home is shifting among millennials. Many are prioritizing experiences, convenience, and sustainable living over the traditional notion of a large house with a yard. This shift in priorities has led to increased interest in shared living spaces, county housing communities, and alternative housing solutions that offer affordability and a sense of community. Alternative paths to homeownership. In response to the affordability crisis, some millennials are exploring alternative paths to homeownership. Community land trusts, cooperative housing models, and other innovative solutions are emerging to address the challenges posed by the current real estate landscape. These approaches allow millennials to collectively work towards affordable homeownership. Advocacy and collective efforts. Millennials are not passively accepting the current state of affairs. Many are advocating for policy changes that promote affordable housing and equitable access to homeownership. Through rallies, community initiatives, and grassroots movements, millennials are working to shape a future where housing is more attainable for all. Remember, a home is not just a place, it's a space where dreams are nurtured and memories are created. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay empowered and keep working towards your goals. See you next time.